Hello everyone, my name is Amardeep. Welcome back to our channel. I got a mail last week कि मेरी RCC slab के ऊपर cracks आ रहे. Then I visited the site, explained them why these cracks are coming and what they need to do. And I thought, why should I not share that with you as well? क्योंकि अगर आप builder हो, चाहे आप architect हो या आप student हो for the building construction work, you must be doing that, and it is a serious issue that you have to understand why those cracks are coming and what you can do, how you can prevent them not to happen. So let's get into this. So the first reason could be shrinkage of cracks. Shrinkage of crack क्यों आते हैं? When you pour the concrete, हमने casting कर दी एक slab की. When we have casted that, there is lot of water. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे water evaporate हो जाता है. हम लोग curing करते हैं, but still the dryness is there, and that dryness also creates those cracks. And they are mostly hairline cracks. They are not dangerous for the structure, but जब आप इसीलिए कहते हैं कि when you have casted the slab, you must do that curing for 7 to 14 days continuously. अगर आप दिन में तो आप क्योरिंग कर ही रहे हो, बट रात को भी आप जो बोरी डाल देते हैं आरसीसी के ऊपर, कहीं भी आरसीसी कास्ट होती है हम लोग बोरी डाल देते हैं, उसके ऊपर पानी डाल देते हैं. सो द मॉइस्चर शुड बी देयर ऑन द आरसीसी. सो द फर्स्ट रीजन कुड बी द श्रिंकेज क्रैक्स दैट हैपेंड एट ड्यूरिंग द pouring of concrete. So second reason could be thermal expansion and contraction. RCC structures में you know that there is at the time of extreme temperatures, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो रहा है. So there are expansion and contraction happening in concrete, and that's why to prevent those cracks कि expansion and contraction के cracks ना आए in the bigger or the commercial buildings, we use expansion joints. आपने देखे होंगे, आप मॉल्स जाते हो, मॉल्स के बीच में एक पट्टी आती है, उसके ऊपर एल्युमिनियम या एसएस की कवरिंग लगी होती है. So those expansion joints control the contraction and expansion of the structure and give space to the structure to move a bit. So अगर उसमें 50 mm का space होगा, so they can move around and cracks generate नहीं होते. But for the smaller buildings, those cracks do come up. And to prevent that thermal expansion and contraction, what you can do is you can use thermocols at the end of the building, where cracks could come. जहाँ पर भी joint बन रहा है, वहाँ पे thermocol आप अगर एक layer डाल देंगे, that is good enough to control those cracks. So next reason could be overloading on structure and the stress comes up. So क्या होता है कि when we have created a building, एक बिल्डिंग हमने बना दी, we got the design done by the structure engineer, construction हो गई, then we thought of something कि यहाँ पे मुझे water tank बनाना है या extra water tanks डालना है या एक extra floor डालना है. जैसे ही आप ये सोचते हो and you start doing that, जब आप extra floor add कर रहे हो, so the cracks could come up. That could be a reason कि overload हो रहा है, the structure is not able to handle that load. So you have to contact your structure engineer or your contractor, the architect, and get that professional advice from them that you should continue working on it or you stop there itself and do the structural strengthening and then go ahead with your work. So it is very important for your safety and for the safety of the structure as well. Next reason could be poor construction practices. So when you are doing the construction, बहुत सारी चीज़ें गलत हो जाती हैं, intentionally unintentionally होती हैं. So when you are mixing the concrete, there could be a mistake. When you are placing the concrete, you have to take care of that. When you are doing the curing, as we have already discussed, you have to do curing for 7 to 14 days. और कई बार क्या होता है कि we have done the formwork, शटरिंग हम जो लगाते हैं वो हम जल्दी खोल देते हैं. You want to speed up the work और जल्दी आपको दूसरी शटरिंग करनी है, आप उसको टाइम से पहले ही निकाल के और ऊपर यूज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो कैन बी अ रीजन फॉर द क्रैक्स टू कम. अगर उसमें सीमेंट का मिक्सचर ठीक नहीं है, उसमें पानी ज़्यादा है या पानी कम है या उसकी जो प्लेसमेंट है वो ठीक नहीं है, उसमें वाइब्रेटर नहीं चला, क्योरिंग नहीं हुई, तो दीज ऑल रीजंस कंट्रीब्यूट इन द क्रैक्स एंड द स्ट्रक्चर विल टेल यू लेटर ऑन कि these things has been done on the building. So next reason could be water seepage और corrosion to the reinforcement, the सरिया you have done. उसमें क्या है कि when you are doing the water seepage comes in और वो सरिये के साथ moisture exposure हो जाता है and सरिया got corrosion. जब उसमें सरिये में जंग लग गया then that starts expanding और जैसे ही वो expand करेगा that will create crack on your slab. So to avoid that you have to have a very proper waterproofing above your slab और उसके बाद you have to make sure that drainage solutions are there. ऐसा ना हो कि हमारा पानी कहीं से निकल के स्लैब के ऊपर खड़ा हुआ है. अगर वो स्लैब के ऊपर खड़ा है आप जितनी मर्जी वाटरप्रूफ करा लो डेफिनेटली इट विल गो इनसाइड द स्लैब, क्योंकि पानी को सिर्फ एक छोटा सा होल चाहिए दैट विल गो इनसाइड और वो उसी टाइम पे कॉन्क्रीट इसके साथ स्टील के साथ अटैच होके इट विल स्टार्ट करोडिंग दी स्टील. If you can see, these could be the 4-5 reasons I've shared with you. First is there could be shrinkage cracks that are not dangerous, but you make sure they are shrinkage cracks. There could be thermal expansion and contraction. After the building is done, you can't do much about it. You just need to get that repaired then. And if there's a overloading and structural stress, then you have to take it very seriously. You have to consult your architects. You have to make sure that the floor you are extra, if you are constructing an extra floor, that should take load of the existing structure should take of the extra floor. Next is poor construction, as we have already discussed with you, mixing, curing, removing of everything is there. Then last one, very important, water seepage. If the water seepage is there, the steel will get corroded और वो damage करेगा ही करेगा आपकी slab को. So consider these points, make sure you don't ignore these, and then you can get a better slab और जो cracks हैं वो cracks आपको नहीं दिखेंगे when you come up with a new building. So thank you so much. That's all from my side. If you got some value from this video, hit a like button there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.